Hey guys, today I am in Game of Thrones world and we have all been hearing winter is coming. But winter is finally here with Game of Thrones coming with its final season very soon. If you are a big fan of Game of Thrones and you think you know it all, just have a look at this chart. Confusing, right? I know I get confused all the time. And if you haven't watched this show, this video can be a quick guide for you. Here we'll be seeing different houses of Game of Thrones world individually and how all of them are related to each other. Let's get started.
With all the marriages, affairs, and secret children in Game of Thrones, it's hard to keep track of who is related to whom. So let's first start with the most loved house of the Game of Thrones, which is House Stark. House Stark are the traditional rulers of the North and have a long and illustrious history. When the show began, the patriarch was Eddard Stark, famously known as Ned Stark. He was married to Catelyn, known as Ket, who came from the Riverlands. Between them, they had 5 children named as Robb, Sansa, Arya, Bran, and Rickon. But there was one black sheep, though Jon Snow. He was the bastard son that Ned brought home after he had been away fighting in the rebellion against King Aerys. But there is a mystery behind it. R plus L equal to J, which we will discuss in Targaryen family tree. Most of House Stark are now dead. Currently, Sansa, Arya, Bran, and Jon are the last Starks standing. House is House Targaryen. The Targaryens had ruled over Westeros for centuries. For years, the Targaryens wed brothers and sisters to keep their dragon blood pure. Following in the family tradition, King Aerys II married his sister Rhaella. They had 3 children, Rhaegar, Viserys, and Daenerys. But the huge age difference of 17 years between Rhaegar and Daenerys means that the tradition of marrying brother and sister just was not possible. This led to the marriage of Rhaegar Targaryen and the Dornish princess Elia Martell. However, Rhaegar fell in love with Lyanna Stark, the sister of Ned Stark. He secretly annulled his marriage to Elia and eloped with Lyanna. To everyone else in Westeros, though, it looked as though Lyanna has been abducted. A civil war broke out, and Robert sought to depose the Mad King and win Lyanna back. Rhaegar died fighting at the Trident, and around the same time, Lyanna died giving birth to their son. And here solves the mystery of R plus L equal to J, which is Rhaegar plus Lyanna equal to Jon Snow. The next house is House Lannister. The Lannisters clan are famed for their gold, which comes from the mines at the family seat of Casterly Rock. Lord Tywin Lannister was the hand of King Aerys too. He is father to twins Cersei and Jaime, as well as everyone's favorite intellectual dwarf, Tyrion. The family reached the pinnacle of their influence when Cersei was married to King Robert Baratheon and supposedly bore him 3 children. However, these children were actually the result of a sordid extramarital relationship with brother Jaime. Cersei has always despised her youngest brother, blaming him for the death of their mother in childbirth. She has also lived in fear of a prophecy she heard as child from the sorceress Maggie the Frog. Cersei asked the crone if she would have any children, and the reply was that she would have 3, but they all would die. Cersei's 3 children have already died through a series of murderous ploys and tragedies, and she now rules the 7 kingdoms in her own right. The next house is House Greyjoys. The Greyjoys are a hardy bunch of seafarers who live on the Iron Island. King Belon had 4 children, but his 2 eldest sons died when the family rebelled against King Robert Baratheon. As punishment and to ensure Belon's good behavior, youngest son Theon was sent to be fostered by Ned Stark. This left Belon with only daughter Yara for company. When he eventually returned the Iron Islands, Theon attempted to prove his worth to his father by attacking Winterfell, the castle that had been his home. This backfired badly for the youngest Greyjoy, however, and he ended up a prisoner of the sadistic Ramsay Bolton. When he was eventually reunited with his big sister Yara, Theon was half the man he had been before. In the show, King Balon has two brothers, the wild and sociopathic Euron Greyjoy and the sour-faced priest Aeron Greyjoy. The former made a real impact by pushing him off a rope bridge and claiming the Salt Throne for himself. The next house is House Baratheon. House Baratheon were the proud and powerful principal house of the Stormlands. Eldest son Robert Baratheon found himself seated on the Iron Throne following his rebellion against King Aerys II and the ruling Targaryen house. He married Cersei Lannister, the daughter of the richest man in Westeros, in order to secure his place on the throne. Unfortunately, it was not a happy marriage with both parties straying into other beds. Robert sired many illegitimate children during his lifetime, including Gendry. Cersei, meanwhile, sought comfort in the arms of her twin brother Jaime. Over the course of the series, the Baratheons were steadily picked off and no legitimate heir survived. Next house is House Tyrell. House Tyrell were a powerful southern family led by matriarch Olenna, who was also known as the Queen of Thorns after her sharp tongue. Loras was the lover of Robert Baratheon's younger brother Renly. This was slightly complicated by the fact Renly was married to Loras' sister Marjorie. After Renly's death, the Tyrells allied with the Lannisters and sealed this by remarrying Marjorie to Joffrey. Poor Marjorie found herself twice widowed on her wedding day, though after the villainous Joff was poisoned during the celebrations, not one to hang around grieving. Marjorie was then married to Joffrey's younger brother Tommen. Sadly, the Tyrell line ended when Cersei blew up the Sept of Baelor. Next house is House Martell. House Martell are the traditional rulers of Dorne, the last kingdom of Westeros to be conquered by the Targaryens. For most of the show, the head of the family was Prince Doran. He had a brother, Prince Oberyn Martell, and a sister, Elia. The amorous Oberyn sired many illegitimate children, known collectively as the Sand Snakes, and had a long-term paramour in Ellaria Sand, but he never married. Elia Martell was married to Prince Rhaegar Targaryen and had two children, but was killed by the Mountain during Robert's rebellion. Many years later, Oberyn was also killed by the Mountain during single-handed combat. Enraged at the death of Oberyn and Prince Doran's lack of action, the Sand Snakes murdered Doran and his son, Trystane Martell. This extinguished the Martell family line. Next house is House Tully. House Tully are the principal lords of the Riverlands and are connected to several powerful families in Westeros through marriage. Catelyn Tully was married to the Lord of Winterfell Ned Stark, while sister Lysa was married to Jon Arryn, the Lord of the Vale. Both are now dead and only younger brother Edmure survives. The last and final house is House Arryn. The Arryns are lords of the Vale. Jon Arryn was known as a good and honorable man and raised Ned Stark and Robert Baratheon as his wards. When Robert won the war against King Aerys II, he named Jon Arryn Hand of the King. Jon was married to Lysa Tully and the couple had one son, a sickly boy known as Robin. After Jon Arryn's murder, Lysa retreated to the Arryn's fortress known as the Eyre. She was later murdered by her lover and childhood friend Peter Baelish, and now Robin is the only surviving member of the House Arryn.
Hey guys, ये मेरी लाइन थी. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the video. Please share it with your friends who are eagerly waiting for final season of Game of Thrones. Also, please like and subscribe.
Bye bye.